Welcome guys, I'm Jen. Glad to see you back. Today I'm going to show you how to change spark plugs on a 2015 Lexus GS350 F Sport. And since this is my vehicle, of course I had to go with the Denso spark plugs. Alright, first step, you're going to hold here, up here on top. You're going to pull up and grab over here. Alright guys, we're not going to be lazy over here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take this whole ear intake out, starting off with this screw right here. And unscrew it. Next, we're going to grab this clamp here, squeeze it, shift it here, make it loose. And now you pull on that tube, of course. Remove that. Next, you're going to put this blade in here. By the way, shout out to my Tanto knife, which I love using this thing. So yeah, you slide it under there and just pull it right out. Next is this Phillips screw here. I'm gonna unscrew it. Now you're gonna pull the intake towards you, just like that, and then you're gonna pull it out this way. Keep holding it and twisting it till it comes off. This gives you access to 3 out of the 6 spark plugs on a 2015 Lexus GS350. Alright, next step is to grab these clips out of here. Press the clip, put the screwdriver, twist it, pop it right out. Next is taking these 10mm bolts out. Next step, guys, is to remove the coil. So you're going to twist a little bit and pull. Here you have it. Want to look inside? Good sign, no oil, which is great. And now you are ready to replace your spark plug. Alright, she's ready to come up. There she is. Oh yeah, she definitely needed to be replaced, as you can see. Alright, same thing for the other 5. Alright guys, I need to hurry up, but first let me break this one before I use ear tool to help me out and make this quicker, as I said. Now you want to turn clockwise. Now I grab here and here, tighten it a little bit, nice and snug, but not too tight. It's perfect. Now on to the rest of them. Alright guys, next thing is put everything back together just as you took it apart. That's it. Alright guys, just in time. Starting to rain here. Putting the cover back in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I missed anything, let me know. If you guys want to see something in the next video, let me know what you guys want to see. Drop a comment. Again, thanks for tuning in. Alright, let's start this bad boy. Oh yeah, I'm ready to rock and roll. Sounds like a beast. I'm out of here, guys.